How to delete a wallet in Sparrow Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can delete a wallet in Sparrow Wallet quickly and easily. First of all, launch open your Sparrow Wallet app on your device. Now, once you're inside this page, go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom left and click on view seed. Enter your wallet's password, and once you reveal the seed, write it down in a piece of paper in the correct order. This is to make sure to back up your wallet if you change your mind later and want to log in again. So once you have the backup, go ahead and click on the File button at the top left corner and then click on the Delete Wallet button. In the pop-up, click on Yes. The wallet file and any backups will be deleted. To confirm, enter your password for your wallet. Right after you do that, you have deleted your wallet and it has been removed from your system. As long as you have the seed phrases backed up, you can go ahead and restore your wallet anytime you want. If you delete without the backup, your funds are gone forever. So make sure you back it up first before deleting. So that is how you can delete your wallet in Sparrow Wallet quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.